back to Blake Check, and welcome back to another short video. It's nice to see you. Welcome back to the channel. In today's short video, we're going to be doing a minor exterior cosmetic change to my Tesla Model 3 Performance Stealth Edition. If you recall, in an earlier video, we actually did a chrome delete on the door and window trim. I want to go ahead and match the emblems and badges to also be matte black, just like that door trim. I like consistent accents across my car. I'm crazy like that. I'm really anal. What I've neglected to do up until now is black out the Tesla badges and emblems. This badge here is a definite. It needs to go black, but I'm not so sure about the dual motor badge over there. There's already a bunch of controversy about whether or not my Tesla Model 3 Performance Stealth Edition is a real Tesla Model 3 Performance. So I feel like if I black out this chrome trim on the Performance badge, I'm going to get even more flack. But you know what? At the end of the day, do what makes you happy, right? So I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and just black that out. And I'm going to be using Plastidip. So the benefit of using Plastidip, if you've never heard of it before, I'm sure you have, is that it's peelable. It's just a spray-on plastic. So if I make a mistake, or if I decide that I don't like the look at the end, I can just peel it right off. Just takes a couple seconds. It's way easier to peel off than regular paint. And it's actually kind of satisfying to peel it off whenever you're done with it. So I've used this product a few times. I really like it. There's other stuff that's similar to it. I always stick with Plastidip just because I know how it sprays on and how it behaves. So we're going to go ahead and use that. The process is pretty simple. The first thing we need to do is get our supplies. As you can see, I've got my Plastidip ready. But I also am going to need this masking tape to mask off areas of the car that I don't want Plastidip on. Again, this is not a huge deal because this spray-on plastic can just be peeled or wiped right off of areas that I don't want the spray, so I'm not too worried about that. I went ahead and picked up this 3hem adhesive too, in case I do decide to take off the badges. Taking them off is really up to you. If you decide that you want to try this, you can take them off, spray them away from the car to save trouble from having to mask off areas of the car. I think I'm going to take off the emblem on the front using this dental floss. Let me tell you why. So the reason I think I might take off the front emblem is that when I got my used 2018 Tesla Model 3 Performance, I noticed that the front emblem was kind of lifting up in the front here. I'm not sure how well that's showing up on camera, but there's like a little, there we go, there's a better angle. There's like a little lift in the front, and it's really hard to notice from far away. Like if I step away, you'll never see it, but I know it's there. And like I mentioned a second ago, I'm pretty anal about some of these little details on my car, so I'm going to go ahead and take that one all the way off, probably bend it back into shape a little bit, and then spray it while it's off, and then use this 3hem adhesive to go ahead and put it back on once it's sprayed. But yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Like I said, it's a pretty simple process, so I'm just going to do it pretty much in a time lapse for you guys. All right, let's get started. All right, and just like that, we are done. So I'm going to zoom in pretty close here. As you can tell, it came out super well. Again, this isn't the first time that I've used Plastidip, so I kind of knew what to expect. Did a few coats, had it masked off pretty well, so didn't run into any hiccups or anything like that. I just need to wipe off some of the overspray, get some of the tape residue off of this thing. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. I'm even happy with the way that the dual motor badge looks. I kind of wish that the chrome around the red stripe was blacked too, but you know, that would be super difficult to do. And you know what? If I'm honest, it's kind of cool that the chrome like makes the red pinstripe pop out. But yeah, I'm happy with the way everything turned out. The whole process took me about 2 hours, and that's not because it was difficult or anything. That was just because I was trying to be as patient as possible and allow as much time as possible in between coats for everything to sit well. But yeah, let's take a look at the emblem on the front too. That turned out really well. If you remember, the front of the emblem was popping off earlier, so I took the opportunity to pop the whole thing off, bend it back into shape, put it back into place with some 3M adhesive. But yeah, everything looks good. But all right, sorry, I'm super sweaty. This is Arizona after all. Even though it's technically fall, it's still like 100 degrees in my garage right now. But thanks for tuning in for this short video. If you like what you saw, leave a like, comment below, let me know what you think about the blacked out dual motor emblem in the back. I like it for now, but maybe my opinion will change after I see your guys' comments below. But that's all I have for you guys today. I'm gonna wipe off, I'm gonna finish cleaning up, but this has been Blake Check, and that's a wrap.